Do you know what this is going to be? It is the most refreshing summer drink. We are making tender coconut shake, but wait till you see the magic when we blend it. Let's pour in the tender coconut water and scoop out the pulp from it. Who does not love tender coconut? Perfect for hot days. This pulp is a little thicker. If you get a slightly thinner, softer pulp, it will taste even more wonderful. Let's cut this soft coconut into small pieces so that it grinds perfectly. Whenever I go to a tender coconut vendor, I specifically ask for the coconut with thin flesh or cream because I just love eating it as it is. Do you also love tender coconut cream like me? We will add them to a blender with little salt and sweetener and blend it till smooth. What's your favorite summer holiday drink? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know. Look at that smooth, creamy texture. This is summer in a glass. Very easy to make, but the taste next level. Try making this at home. It is so easy to prepare and the taste is just heavenly. Plus, the tender coconut is very good for your health, refreshing and nutritious in every sip. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments.